Today we are making a very healthy dinner, and it's going to be tuna melt cupcakes. So I already have 2 cans of tuna in water. I already took the water out of the tuna, and also in olive oil tuna, and we left the oil on that one for flavor. Tomato, Persley, cilantro, and we're just going to go ahead and mix it all together. Mayonnaise, we have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Let's go ahead and mix it up together. That is looking awesome and smells so tasty. Let's put a little extra citrus, so we're gonna put a little lime, just half of a lime. And guys, this is done. Let's proceed to make the cups. I'm gonna use a martini glass because that is the perfect size for the cupcake tray. This is what we're looking for. You can use, depending on the size of your cupcake trays, you can go ahead and figure it out. You can, it could be smaller or bigger. You just use whatever is convenient, and a cup, a glass, and go ahead. Whatever works. This is how it should look. So right there, we got one. We're gonna go ahead and put the next one. Always make extra, they may break in the bottom, and you wanna make sure that you don't have no open in the bottom, because then all the flavor and the juice will come out. You don't want that. That's it. Simple. Let's make the 6 of them and move on. This is how they should look. Looks wonderful. Now we're going to go ahead and fill it and put this dish together. Let's start by putting some cheese on the bottom. We want it extra cheesy, just a layer, so that when we bite into it, we have extra cheese and extra flavor. Let's go ahead and put the filler. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and put a slice of avocado. And cheese. There you go. This is all together. Now we are all set to put it in the oven. I already preheated the oven on 350 degrees. So let's go ahead and put it in for about 8 minutes until the cheese get nice and golden. 8 minutes later, this is what we got, guys. Look how beautiful they look. I mean, like, wow. We also want to give it a minute, so let it sit there for about 3 or 4 minutes, so to cool down. We don't want to pull the tortillas cups out while it's hot, because they may break. So we want to let it sit, cool down, and that's when you want to take it out. I know they look so good, we want to just go ahead and start eating it, but no. Let's wait a few minutes. Wow, this is just beautiful, guys. Look at that. So nice. I mean, so the cheese is so nice and crispy. It's beautiful color. Look at the texture of this. It looks just awesome. Let me just hold one. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Really, huh? Tuna cupcakes. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, to share, and like my videos. I hope you guys try this beautiful dish. I mean, tuna is beautiful. It's a nice dish with those tortillas. And this way, I think even your kids will appreciate tuna and love it. So let's go ahead and try different ways of cooking and different ways of doing our favorite dishes. God bless you all, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video.